Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best floating shelves in 2020 reviews that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Fab Glass and Mirror. Corner Floating Glass Shelf Kit is built of quality tempered glass. Corner Floating Glass Shelf Kit made of the best quality tempered glass. Each shelf comes with 2 free chrome brackets for easy installation. These floating glass shelves are the best way to give your home a perfect makeover. The back is painted black, and each shelf you buy comes with 2 free chrome brackets for easy installation. No matter what the design is, wall-mounted corner glass shelves from Fab Glass and Mirrors come equipped with chrome brackets, with the choice of finish, to mount shelving easily at the corners of the wall. The packaging also includes screws to support the installation of corner glass shelves. They are sleek, in addition to offering you extra storage space. The glass is thicker and, therefore, stronger. Moving on at number 4, we have Burns of Boston LL2931 Level Line 3-Piece Ledge Set. Burns of Boston LL2931 is a complete decoration to add warmth to your space as well as highlight your possessions. They are made from lightweight and environment-friendly wood composite and has a warm walnut finish. A complete kit has all with a 4-inch depth, offering enough space to store as well as display your photos, etc. It comes with all installation hardware, and you only need a hammer to install. At number 3, we have BAYKA Floating Shelves Wall Mounted. BAYKA floating shelves are practical as well as a decorative piece to have in your home. It stays stable on your wall after installation, thanks to the triangular brackets that are made of paulownia wood and industrial metal. Nothing but some screws are needed to fix these shelves to the wall and to maintain their function. Simply designed with solid paulownia wood and industrial matte metal brackets, the floating shelves not only enhance the aesthetic flair of any contemporary household, but also enable a delightful. These shelves allow you to have various decorative styles. You can install the wood on top of the bracket or the brackets holding the wood from above. At number 2, we have Victor Corner Shelf. Unlike other floating shelves, the Victor Corner Shelf can stay on your work surface, such as the corner of your table. It has 3 shelves on which you can store your papers, books or folders. From concept to production, each product component must incorporate excellent craftsmanship and high value. All Midnight Bulk products are hand-finished with 2 coats of paint for a smooth finishing. Constructed from high-quality MDF, dense premium wood product, Midnight Black products are durable and lasting. It weighs 7.4 pounds, and it is made of MDF wood with a double coating of matte back finish. Certainly, it has rubber feet to stay stable on the table. And finally at number 1. WALI Floating Shelf with Strengthened Tempered Glass. The WALI Floating Shelf looks sleek on your wall. It is ultra slim and in the all-black coating, which enhances the look of your interior space. The sleek 5mm black tempered glass shelf allows you to mount various devices weighing up to 17.6 pounds. Cable management system allows you to discreetly organize and hide your messy cable. Adjustable shelf height ensures your unit is mounted at a perfect height. In case of messy cable, the cable management system will help you organize yourself well. And, the adjustable height shelves ensure that you mount it at the correct height.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.